Hello and welcome back to the English Habit, your cozy space to learn English slowly, clearly, and with real-life conversations. Today's topic takes us somewhere exciting, at the airport. Airports can be busy, noisy, and sometimes a little stressful, but they're also full of real English you can use, from checking in and asking for directions to chatting with other passengers. In this lesson, you'll hear 10 short dialogues about common airport situations, like checking in your luggage, going through security, finding your gate, and boarding the plane. Listen carefully, repeat out loud, and notice how people really speak in everyday travel situations. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident using English the next time you travel. So let's begin. Checking in. Checking in is the first thing you do at the airport. You meet the airline staff, show your passport, and drop off your luggage. In this dialogue, Emma checks in for her flight and learns how to ask polite travel questions in English. Let's listen and repeat together.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Singapore.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, just this one suitcase.
Perfect. Please place it on the scale.
Here it is.
Thank you. It's 18 kilos, well under the limit.
Oh, good. Whew.
Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I like looking outside during takeoff.
No problem. You're all checked in. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you. What time does boarding start?
At 9:15 at gate 12.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great flight.
Thank you. I will.
Going through security. After checking in, the next step is going through airport security. Here, officers make sure that everything you carry is safe before you board the plane. You'll need to show your boarding pass again, take out your laptop, and remove metal items like keys or belts. Don't worry, it's a normal process, and the officers are always polite and helpful. In this dialogue, Emma goes through the security check and learns how to respond clearly in English. Let's listen and repeat together.
Good morning. Boarding pass and passport, please.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag?
Yes, I have a laptop and a small bottle of hand sanitizer.
Please take them out and put them in a separate tray.
Okay. Should I take off my shoes, too?
Yes, please. And also your belt and jacket.
All right.
Perfect. Please walk through the metal detector.
Oh, it beeped.
Do you have any keys or coins in your pocket?
Oh, yes, I forgot my keys. Sorry.
No problem. Please try again.
Oh, good now.
Great. You're clear. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
Finding the gate. After security, It's time to find your boarding gate, the place where passengers wait before getting on the plane. Airports can be big and confusing, so it's normal to ask for directions or check the screens for your gate number. In this dialogue, Emma looks for her gate and practices how to ask for and understand directions politely in English. Let's listen and repeat together.
Excuse me, could you please tell me where gate 12 is?
Sure, let me check. Gate 12 is straight ahead, then turn left after the cafe.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
Not really, about a 5-minute walk.
Great. I just want to make sure I'm not late.
You're fine. Boarding for Singapore hasn't started yet.
Oh, perfect. By the way, is there a restroom near the gate?
Yes, right next to the souvenir shop.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Thanks, I will.
Shopping at the duty-free store. Before boarding, many travelers stop by the duty-free store to buy gifts, snacks, or perfume, all tax-free. It's a great chance to practice polite shopping English, like asking about prices, sizes, or recommendations. In this dialogue, Emma looks for a small gift to bring to Singapore and chats with a friendly store assistant. Let's listen and repeat together.
Hi there. Welcome to our duty-free shop. Can I help you find something?
Hi. Yes, please. I'm looking for a small gift, maybe perfume or chocolate.
Sure. We have a special offer on these mini perfume sets. They're very popular with travelers.
Oh, they look nice. How much are they?
They're $25 each, or two for $40.
That's a good deal. Do you have any floral scents?
Yes, this one has a light jasmine and rose fragrance. Would you like to try it?
Sure. Oh, that smells lovely.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like to take one or two?
I'll take two. One for my friend and one for myself.
Perfect. Anything else today?
No, that's all. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful trip.
Thanks. You too.
Waiting at the gate. Once you've passed security and done your shopping, it's time to wait at your boarding gate. This is when travelers often chat, check their phones, or listen for announcements. In this dialogue, Emma sits next to another passenger and makes small talk while waiting for their flight to board. Let's listen and repeat together.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no. Please go ahead.
Thanks. It's always so busy near the gates.
Tell me about it. I got here early, but it's still filled up fast.
Same here. Are you flying to Singapore too?
Yes, business trip. How about you?
Vacation. Finally taking a break from work.
That sounds nice. Singapore's a great place to relax and explore.
I can't wait. Is this your first time going there?
Nope, third time actually. I love the food and how clean everything is.
Oh, I've heard that too. I'm planning to try chili crab.
Good choice. Just don't wear white when you eat it.
I'll remember that. Oh, looks like boarding's about to start.
Perfect timing. Have a great flight.
You too. Nice chatting with you.
Boarding the plane. Now it's time to board the plane, the most exciting part of any trip. You show your boarding pass, greet the flight attendants, and find your seat. In this dialogue, Emma boards her flight and practices polite phrases you can use when getting on a plane. Let's listen and repeat together.
Good morning. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you, Miss Taylor. You're in seat 14A on the left side by the window.
Great, thank you. Is the flight on time?
Yes, we're right on schedule. Boarding should finish in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. I'll head to my seat then.
Sure. Please watch your step as you walk down the aisle.
Thanks, I will.
Hi there. You must be in 14A. I'm in 14B.
Oh, hi. Yes, that's me. Let me just put my bag up here.
Need a hand with that?
Thanks, I've got it. All set now.
Great. Looks like a full flight today.
Yeah, but at least we're sitting near the window. Best view in the house.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts.
Here we go.
During the flight, ordering drinks. Once the plane is in the air, it's time to relax and enjoy the flight. Soon, the flight attendants come by with drinks and snacks. In this dialogue, Emma practices how to order politely, ask for refills, and respond naturally when the flight attendant offers her something to drink. Let's listen and repeat together.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Would you like something to drink?
Hi. Yes, please. What do you have?
We have water, juice, soda, tea, coffee, and wine.
I'll have some orange juice, please.
Sure. With or without ice?
With ice, please. Thank you.
Here you go. Would you like a snack as well? Pretzels or cookies?
Cookies sound great.
No problem. Here you are. Enjoy your snack.
Thanks so much. Oh, and could I get some water later?
Of course. I'll bring it by in a few minutes.
That's perfect. You're very kind.
My pleasure. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thanks again.
Talking to a seatmate. Sometimes a long flight becomes much nicer when you have a friendly chat with the person next to you. It could be a simple hi or a short talk about travel plans, just enough to make the journey pleasant. In this dialogue, Emma starts a friendly conversation with her seatmate and practices how to make small talk politely during a flight. Let's listen and repeat together.
Hi there. Is anyone sitting here?
Nope. It's all yours.
Thanks. Looks like it's going to be a full flight.
Yeah, seems like it. Are you heading to Singapore for work or vacation?
For work, a short training program. What about you?
Vacation this time. I've always wanted to visit Singapore.
That's great. You'll love the food there. It's amazing.
I've heard that. Any dishes you recommend?
Definitely try chili crab and Hainanese chicken rice. They're must-haves.
Sounds delicious. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. So, do you travel often?
Not really, just once or twice a year. I still get nervous on planes.
Oh, same here sometimes. I usually distract myself with movies or music.
Good idea. Maybe I'll try that too.
Enjoy the flight.
Asking for a blanket or pillow. Airplanes can get chilly, especially on long flights. If you ever feel cold or want to rest, it's totally fine to ask the flight attendant for a blanket or pillow. In this dialogue, Emma politely asks for something to make her flight more comfortable. Let's listen and repeat together.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
could I please get a blanket? It's a bit cold in here.
Of course. I'll bring one right away. Would you like a pillow too?
Oh, that would be great. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Here you go.
Perfect. These will make the flight much cozier.
I'm glad to hear that. If you need anything else, just let me know.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the rest of your flight.
Thanks. I'll try to get some sleep now.
Arriving and going through immigration. After landing, the journey isn't quite over yet. You still need to go through immigration, where officers check your passport, ask a few questions, and welcome you into the country. In this dialogue, Emma arrives in Singapore and answers the officer's questions politely and confidently. Let's listen and repeat together.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a 2-week work training program.
I see. Which company are you with?
I work for Green Tech Solutions. The training is at their Singapore office.
Sounds good. And where will you be staying?
At the Marina View Hotel. It's near the office.
Great. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, my return flight is on the 20th.
Perfect. Everything looks fine. Enjoy your stay in Singapore.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Next, please.
And that's it. You've just completed at the airport. From checking in and finding your gate to talking to the flight attendant and passing immigration. Now you can handle every step of air travel in English. Remember, the key is practice. Listen again, repeat out loud, and notice how natural English sounds in real situations. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to follow The English Habit, your cozy space to learn English slowly, clearly, and with real-life conversations. Until next time, safe travels and keep speaking English with confidence.